Have you tried buying RAM lately? Prices are absolutely skyrocketing right now, and it's actually AI's fault. Here is the deal. Tech giants are in an all-out race to build massive AI data centers. To run those insane AI models, they need mountains of high-speed memory. Think of it like a bakery. The AI companies are buying up all the flour to make massive wedding cakes, which means there is barely any left for your morning bagel. Because manufacturers are prioritizing these massive high profit enterprises orders, regular consumers, DDR4 and DDR5 RAM are facing severe supply shortage. Less supply means your PC upgrade just got way more expensive. Industry analysts predict prices could jump another 60 to 100% this year. So if you are buying a PC, you might want to lock in your parts right now.